Hi, welcome. My goal today is to make a little survival axe. I do not know if it will help anyone to survive, but I will make it for a survival weekend and hopefully it will come handy. I will start by cutting the steel, I will then forge the head and make the handle. I hope you enjoy watching. I now have the rough shape of the axe and I can move on to the forging, but I do have a little problem because my forge blower right here gave up on me and there doesn't seem to be any way for me to fix it. But I'm pretty lucky because I did find a replacement. It's right here and I'm just going to mount it and we'll see if it works. The only little problem with this is that you have to action it with your hand and it's gonna be pretty painful, I think. Let's give it a try. Let's put an edge on this axe. Alright, now the forging is done, I'm going to start working on the wood for the handle parts. I will start by preparing the log with this wonderful machine. I'm just gonna say one thing, this machine feeds on wood, but it also feeds on fingers, so I would advise you, if you ever have access to one, to be very careful, because this right here is extremely dangerous in my opinion. But let's do it! I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'll be making more of them, so feel free to subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave it down there in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!